live trading LUNR and RLX for $20,000. What is the deal with LUNR stock? We're going to go over our live trade on LUNR and RLX and how we called these short squeezes before they actually happened. If you're not already part of our free Discord, make sure to join in the link below. This is where we go over winning trades before they happen. If you like making money, make sure to join. We bought LUNR at $14, if you recall. Okay, LUNR bought at $14 in our video, Can Scent Stock Smoke BBBY Stock, 2.5x trading volume, etc., etc. This was published 3 days ago, and we called out the LUNR stock for a $14 buy-in and an $18.97 sell. Okay, that was the trading plan. That was published on YouTube. It's all verifiable. Lunar Intuitive Machines, a space exploration company, evaluated at roughly $634.38 million. Guys, this is the profile for LUNR stock. This is a low float stock, and on this low float stock, I want to congratulate, okay, before we get into the live video, I want to congratulate our pro trader, Mr. 305. Now, Mr. 305 got into the trade a little bit late at $16 instead of $14, but he jumped out at $19.25, which was our profit target, with 2,000 shares. So he actually made $6,500 in 1 day trading our LUNR call out. So $6,500 profit on LUNR on the Discord. Join the Discord, link below. So how did we make $10,000 collectively on LUNR? How did we make this money? Well, we saw a trading pattern on LUNR called an SOS double bottom. Now, an SOS double bottom is a trading pattern which I've covered in a previous video. I'm going to leave that link there for you. I'm going to put it right up there so that you can watch that video and make better trades. I've called 31 short squeezes in the past 30 trading days. Only here, it's only available here. The other traders on the other trading channels, they're not talking about this stuff. You're gonna miss out on some killer trades if you don't subscribe to the channel. I don't want that to happen to you. I want you to be a part of every single winning trade that we take. Make sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be aware of these trades as they actually take place. A lot of these trades are good for only 1 day, so make sure that you get in the know as soon as possible. Now, LUNR stock was signaled at $15 pre-market, and that's when I signaled the Discord as well. Everything is available on Discord, and now we're gonna go into the actual live trading. So LUNR's at about 1543 right now, and it's looking good so far. Look at that, it's already shooting up. We got OSHA and LUNR both winning trades now. LUNR to the moon. We got the short squeeze. Next profit target is 1882, and I would say that it actually is possible for LUNR to go up to the 1882, 1982 level. I think it can tag $20 for sure at some point today. Okay, that's literally it. We don't have to put more energy into this or into any more trades. We already got LUNR up from $15, almost $5 a share. So however many shares you bought, that's how many dollars you made. I mean, times 5. So if you bought 100 shares, that's $500. If you bought 1,000 shares, that's $5,000. That was pretty wild, wasn't it? Well, those kind of trades happen all the time. And in fact, they're called out in advance because I do all the research for you. If you've lost a lot of money in the past, if it's been really painful for you, and when the chart is actually moving, if that's a little scary as well, you're not alone. I understand. I've been there. I've lost, over $40,000 trading in order to become a professional trader. I understand where you're coming from. The idea now is for you to actually start making money, to actually learn how to do this successfully, and all of that information is in the Discord. So make sure that you're a part of that so that you don't miss any call outs. RLX stock, okay, RLX stock, I actually signaled that in the video on Saturday, okay? I published a video on Saturday. That was 2 days ago because it's Monday now. And on Saturday, I published a video that said, don't buy TRKA stock, buy this stock instead, okay? So that stock, the stock that I was actually buying was RLX at $2.40. You can see on the screenshot here, I even published my entry, $2.40. I am buying RLX stock. Now let's go into a little more depth on RLX stock. So RLX Technology, okay, RLX stock, ticker RLX, is an e-vape company. This e-vape company is valued at roughly $4.16 billion, all right? $4.16 billion. It's a low float stock. So as you know, low float stocks can make a move. If you don't know, if a stock has a low float, then it's prone to more volatility because it takes less shares bought in order to pump the stock up. That being said, if the stock is not good, then it can also go down more if it has a low float. So that's the double-edged sword of the low float stock, okay? So the low float stock here, let me draw it out for you. The low float stock is a stock which can basically move a lot more. So it's either going to go up a lot or it's going to go down a lot. So generally, we want to trade the stocks that are going to go up a lot. And all of those stocks are in our pro Discord. So congrats to Miss Green, who made $1,800 on RLX her first week in the pro community. Speaking of the pro Discord, Miss Green just absolutely killed it. Week 1, she bought RLX and sold it at one of our profit targets for $1,800. Okay. How did we make another $10,000 on RLX? What trading pattern did we see? What did we see in terms of the price action, the volume, the fundamentals? How did we actually make this money on RLX? Well, RLX, I signaled on the Discord, did the crescent moon. So the crescent moon is an exclusive trading pattern to our community. And the crescent moon is essentially when the stock comes down to a certain level and it does a very specific price pattern that looks just like, you guessed it, a crescent moon. If you aren't already familiar with the crescent moon trading pattern, I'm going to leave a video right here so that you can educate yourself and you can use the crescent moon to make thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. Now, this is not financial advice. This entire video is for educational purposes only. But if you follow my advice, if you follow instructions, chances are you're going to make a lot of money. So here we go. RLX stock was $2.40 pre-market. That's when I actually sent out the Discord signal. And now we're going to get into that live video where we traded RLX and what it looked like. RLX, first minute of the day, we're already squeezing. It went from our entry price at $2.40, $2.58, selling some RLX for setup, okay? Have your limit orders set up, profit target 2, make sure to sell. And then now we got rallied all the way to 287. So that is now officially a 25% increase, which would be $2,500 in one day. I'm signaling everyone to make sure that they close at least 90% of their position. This should be for everyone here as well. Okay, 90% of our position should be closed because RLX is right here near the day ceiling that I have. There you have it, RLX. And it's another banger, another short squeeze. That was actually the 31st short squeeze that I called out in the Discord, okay? So make sure that you're part of that Discord. And speaking of, what is your next trade? Your next trade, okay, if you took TRKA stock and you took that for a ride, you may have lost some money because the stock went from 90 cents all the way down to 25 cents where it is now. Down 75%. That's a $7,500 loss. Do you lose money in the stock market? Because my trader actually made 80% on TRKA. He almost doubled his money, making $14,000 just using the callouts on the pro Discord. Mr. 305, he's talking here with somebody, said that drinks are on me if RLX goes up 100% today. This is conversations that are happening right now. Traders are making thousands and tens of thousands of dollars in the pro Discord as we speak. And that's because they have a professional trader, me, your coach, working for them full time so that they're able to make money in the stock market. What would financial freedom look like to you? because for Fire Medic 51, he's up another $455.25 in RLX in less than 30 minutes. $450 in less than 30 minutes. And that's more than he makes in his full-time job. So that's financial freedom, and if you're ready to have it, then join me in Rocket Trader Pro, link in the description. Click that link below, and I'll see you there.